Both genuinely store real data, but only one actually travels with every real request. Let's see the real difference. This real assignment genuinely sets an actual real cookie. It will travel with every real future request to this origin. This real call genuinely stores the same real value, but it stays only in the browser, never sent to a real server automatically. This is the exact real cookie string the browser genuinely holds right now. This is the exact real value genuinely stored in local storage, same data, a completely different real mechanism. A real cookie is genuinely sent with every matching real HTTP request automatically. Real local storage session storage genuinely never leave the browser on their own. Real session auth tokens usually belong in cookies specifically because of that real behavior. Check your own real site's DevTools Network tab, which real requests carry a cookie header. Next, Intersection Observer for genuinely efficient lazy loading.